what's up, baby? It's 40 from FordeeTV. Last night is the first night I've had more than 5 hours of sleep for 2 nights in a row. I've been battling this crazy inability to sleep for over a month now. It's screwed up a lot of things, including making tutorials. However, today, real quick, I'm going to make a video. I want to show you something that is better than sex post-workout. You're like, what? Before I say another word, The last time I went this furious with something, it lasted less than a minute. The good thing is the batteries on this puppy, they can go for like 40 minutes or 50 minutes, This thing is no joke, This is a handheld professional massager called the Theragun. In fact, this one came with this case right here. And I don't know if you could see, but there's different attachments. We'll get into that in a second. On this particular model, it's the mid-range one, It was 300 euros, which included a discount for like the holidays, right? Anyway, on the back of this, it's got a button and then like a jog, not a jog wheel, but a directional pad. So when you press this down, it turns it on. I think you should be able to hear me with this. It's not that loud, You have up and down. Right now it says 2400, that's the RPM. This thing goes down to 1750, which is the lowest, When you put this somewhere, let's say on your leg, if you turn it up, it's going harder, right? Going to town more. Also, on this particular thing, let's see if I can show you. If I press this here, let me have this shirt because I just finished the workout, So if I press this here, you can see a... no joke, This is the softest attachment that it comes with, right? Super soft. And all you have to do is pull, it comes off, and you can add another attachment. This particular attachment is very similar. However, this one is hard, Then you have like the knuckle, right? So like if you were doing a massage and someone was busting the knuckle on you, you have the fingertip or the point, right? And then the wedge. I'm not positive what the wedge is for, but for example, this finger, if you really want to get in a muscle, there's nothing like this, Not for the faint of heart. You turn this on and you find a spot and then you can drill in. When I had it before and I was pressing, I don't know if you noticed that there were some bars that were going up. That's how much pressure that this thing can take. Now, it also has Bluetooth, it connects to your phone, and it will tell you what to do. So for example, if you just finished an upper body workout, today I did shoulders. Well, I also did cardio, 2 workouts. What's wrong with me? But I took off like 3 or 4 weeks. I drank because I couldn't sleep, and then I'd be hungover. So it's been a nightmare, But I started taking supplements, and my sister recommended some, thanks to her. And the last 2 nights, I've gotten some sleep. So I'm hoping this continues. I'm going to be back to normal soon. Hopefully, I will make an After Effects tutorial tomorrow. But anyway, so this thing... it's got the mid-range one could go 40 pounds of pressure, so you can press in this. Obviously, you can give yourself a massage, right? Let's take this off. We'll put back the soft one, which is the easiest attachment. If I want to do my back, all I have to do is change where I hold this. In the app, it's going to tell you, like grab here, whatever. So for example, if we come up in here and I want to get my back, I can keep going up, whatever. And if there's a spot that's hard to find, maybe I switch hands, maybe I come from a different angle, etc. Now, it feels amazing when someone else is doing it for you, but it's still great to do yourself. You can do your quads, your hamstrings, your calf, the front of your shin muscle, not your shin muscle, but the muscle next to your shin, etc. You can get a full deep tissue massage from this thing. And granted, 300 sounds expensive. But if you go to a masseuse, if you're someone who goes to a masseuse, then, or you foam roll, well, foam roll is not expensive, but a masseuse could be 50 plus every visit, right? So 6 visits is the cost of this thing. I mean, it's no joke. And then if you have someone to give you that this thing is, I'm kidding when I say it's better than sex, but the thing is, this thing will go longer. And you're saying, wait, I can go for 40 minutes. This can go for 40 minutes, recharge for an hour, another 40 minutes. I'm getting older, I can do that. Anyways, I'm joking, but seriously, if you are into deep tissue massage, I can't tell you how amazing this is. Different parts of your body. You probably shouldn't put it over your heart, right? But you can do your chest muscles. You can do your biceps. You can do, and I'll just give you an example or a demonstration of. It's very orgasmic, huh? So if I will try not to, huh? We'll turn it down. Right now it says 2400. Let's drop it maybe down to 1900. That's one above the lowest setting. And if I was coming here, all I can do is just slowly, right? Right now I'm not even pushing pressure. You can see there was like one little nub. Now if I press down, I could really get in there, huh? But really, I can just come up my leg like this, and you can move to the side of the muscle, huh? You don't have to stay in one line. And you can come to the other side. And what you're doing is you're looking for a part maybe that's like, oof, sore or whatever. Then chill there. And just let this thing do the work. This thing's moving. I don't have to press. Now, again, just to show you, you can grab different parts and find different parts. So right now we're in the lower back. I could reach behind and apply pressure. Now it's like, oh, yes, gosh. Oh. Who doesn't like any part of your back massage, huh? Oh, yes. I love this shit, huh? Anyways, I know watching the video is not going to get you to buy. Anyway, I don't get anything if you buy one, but I'll tell you this. If you try one of these things, you are screwed because you will buy one. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this review, this tutorial. Well, it's not a tutorial, this video. Tomorrow I should be back in action. I'm going to make another After Effects video. We need to finish the series. I have some other videos planned. So please stay tuned. Sorry for the hiatus. Until next time, I'm out.